Graphics part 2, draw a rectangle. So now we're going to try to draw this rectangle with this code, which we'll copy. We'll go here and we will go ahead and paste it and we'll run it. And look, we have a rectangle. Pretty exciting stuff. So the way to draw a rectangle is to call on our canvas the create rectangle method. And then it takes 4 values plus a fill. It actually takes even more than that, but for now, this is what we'll focus on. x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is the left and the top, and this is the right and the bottom. This window right here is right now a 400 by 200, so it's 400 wide and 200 tall. The rectangles left and top are at 0, 0, so the origin is up there, 150 wide and 150 high. So something strange about graphics is, and this is pretty standard, is that as x increases, you go to the right, and that's not strange, but as y increases, you go down. So in fact, up is down. So y equals 0 is right here, and as I'm moving the cursor downward, y is actually increasing. So the largest y value is down here. Okay? So let's actually change this x value to be, say, 100, and let's rerun it, and you'll notice that the right side, the right edge, didn't move at all. The left edge moved, and there's 100 pixels from the left edge of the window out to the left edge of this rectangle because it starts at 100. If I change this to 50, then the top is going to come down 50, and there it is. This distance here is 50. This is still 100 over. This is the right, and this is the bottom. So for instance, since the window is 200 tall, if I make the bottom at 200, I'd expect to see it right down against the bottom. Don't worry so much about little extra bits around the edges. For various reasons, tcanter might snip off a left edge or add a few pixels on the bottom of the window. Just not a problem. Okay, so these left, top, right, bottom. And what would happen if I made my right to the left of my left? I'll make my right now at 90 and I'll run this. And the answer is it kind of flips around, right? So if I make my right at 0, it goes back. Please do not use this. This is I would say it's an anti-feature of tcanter. Make this one your left always, make this one your right always. We will grade expecting that in every situation. Finally, the fill. The fill right here is yellow. Pretty obvious, you can make it green, and the fill will be green. Now, how might we get rid of that outline or change that? For that, you have to wait for the exciting next video in this series.